Drivers face enough challenges on the road. Protecting their safety and privacy should never be compromised. Introducing GoFocus, a forward-facing safety sensor that helps prevent collisions and gives drivers the tools to stay safe, while making fleets safer too. With GoFocus, driver privacy comes first. All event-specific data is encrypted and processed locally, so you can be confident that sensitive information stays secure. GoFocus combines driver assistance technology with Geotab's predictive analytics to identify and reduce risks before they become problems. Fleet managers get clear insights into driving behaviors, making it easier to identify risks and target training. Drivers get timely alerts that help them avoid risks and build safer habits on the road. Near collision, an event capture button lets drivers upload video footage quickly and easily. Cost-effective and scalable, GoFocus brings advanced safety technology to fleets of all sizes. Fewer collisions, lower insurance costs, safer drivers. GoFocus brings it all together. Geotab GoFocus drives safer together.